Hey guys, Hannah here. Happy days of making. I am talking about today two things. We have two exciting fingering weight sale items and some really nice kits for deep discount. So our deep discount is the Angora lace fingering weight yarn and the Angora lace kits. These are going to be 40% off with code Angora40. So we have these really great kits to make the Verbena Shawl from Universal Designs. As you can see, it's quite a pretty lacy shawl, but fairly simple. It's a great yarn and project to use if you want to get an introduction to lace and something relatively simple. The yarn itself is a beautiful light gray, and the fiber content is 60% superwash merino, 10% Angora, and 30% nylon. So you're going to get the softness and a tiny bit of halo from the Angora, plus some strength from the nylon, and then of course wool, which we all know and love. So Angora 40. Next, we have a discount. Our 10% discount staff pick is on the Greenwood Fibers Yakity Yak fingering and the Theodora's Pearls Oxanameter. So I'm over here by the fingering section. So because we have so many amazing colors right now that I can show you, and those will be 10% off with code YAK10. So if we have take a little tour over here. This is our Yakity Yak section. It is an incredibly beautiful yarn that comes, we have a huge selection of colors. So we have some darks, a lot of them are semi-solid. We have some variegated and a few tonal. And all of these yarns, this is one of my favorite colors, cornflower, are 60% superwash merino, 20% yak, and 20% silk. They come with a 400 yard put up that's about 100 grams. And they have care instructions on the inside of the label, which is pretty nice because these labels are kind of cute. And if you're making something, you can always include the label so people have the care instructions. So many of you guys, I'm sure, are familiar with this yarn. As I said, we have so many amazing colors all through the color spectrum here. They also, because yak is a naturally darker fiber, that's why we have these slightly darker tones. When you use yak, it has to be over dyed. So you tend, because it's a browner tone, there's sort of a warmer, sort of jewelly, earthy undertone in all of these. And our next thing, which as we know is also very popular, is the Theodora's Pearls Oxanameter. So this is a great yarn. It's locally dyed here in Longmont by Jennifer Miller, who we all know and love. It is an 100% bamboo yarn, which is fantastic for being sustainable and also because it creates such lustrous, beautiful colors. So again, we have a huge selection of colors from the red side through yellow and orange, green, blues, and purples. And one of the things I love about Jennifer as well is she dyes just really gorgeous neutrals. So if you're trying to find something for a project where you need a neutral to set off from a bright color, it's great. But it's also lovely for making, a shirt that kind of goes with everything. There's so many different shades of silver and taupe that are more warm, that are more cool, more neutral, and some beautiful browns and blacks. So just a reminder, that code is YAK10 and Angora40. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.